Welcome to our cozy kitchen.
Today we are making a fluffy matcha cake in a rice cooker. Carefully separating 4 eggs. Whisking the yolks until perfectly smooth. Adding fresh milk for moisture.
And a little cooking oil to keep the cake soft. Mix it until completely combined. Now for our dry ingredients.
Sifting the flour guarantees a light and airy cake.
Premium matcha powder for that beautiful color and earthy flavor. It smells wonderfully aromatic already.
Stirring gently so the batter stays tender.
Look at that stunning pastel green.
Now let us prepare the meringue. Lemon juice helps stabilize the egg whites.
Whipping until it looks like light foam. Adding our sugar in 3 parts. It is getting thicker. Adding more sugar.
Whip until you reach soft, glossy peaks.
This is the exact texture we want. Time to fold the batters together.
Taking 1/3 to lighten the matcha base.
Fold very gently so we do not lose the air. Now pour it all back together.
Using the folding technique.
So incredibly light and fluffy.
Greasing our rice cooker pot.
Look at how luscious this batter is. Pouring it all in.
A gentle tap removes any large air bubbles.
It is ready to bake.
Baking a cake in a rice cooker is so easy.
Close the lid tight. Just press cook and let it do the magic. The whole kitchen smells like sweet green tea. When it is done, we let it rest for 15 minutes. Hit like if this cake looks perfectly baked.
Checking to make sure it is cooked through.
Completely clean. It is perfect.
Time to reveal our masterpiece.
Wow, look at that smooth golden crust. So perfectly shaped.
Slicing through this soft cloud.
The inside is so vibrant and airy. Subscribe for more amazing, easy desserts. Plating a slice for you.
A light dusting of powdered sugar.
Like snow on a spring leaf.
Best enjoyed with a warm cup of tea.
This fluffy matcha cake is completely baked in a rice cooker.
Time for a taste.
It melts right in your mouth.
Such a simple and rewarding bake.
You do not need an oven to make great cake. A beautiful, relaxing afternoon. I really hope you give this recipe a try.
Thank you for joining our kitchen.
Do not forget to leave a comment below.
Have a wonderful, sweet day.
Baked with love.
Every detail makes it special.
Simply gorgeous.
Perfectly presented. A true family favorite.
Perfect balance.
See you in our next baking adventure. Goodbye for now. See you in the next journey.